Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans using natural language. Python has become a dominant language in the field of NLP, thanks to its simplicity and the availability of powerful libraries. In this tutorial, we will explore some of the best NLP libraries in Python along with code examples. NLTK is one of the most widely used NLP libraries in Python. It provides easy-to-use interfaces for tasks like tokenization, stemming, tagging, parsing, and more. SpaCy is a library designed for production use and is known for its speed and efficiency. It provides pre-trained models for various NLP tasks. TextBlob simplifies text processing by providing a consistent API for diving into common NLP tasks. Gensim is a library for topic modeling and document similarity analysis. It is particularly useful for working with large text corpora. Transformers by Hugging Face provides state-of-the-art pre-trained models for various NLP tasks, such as text classification, translation, and question answering. These are just a few of the many NLP libraries available in Python. Depending on your specific needs and the complexity of your project, you may choose different libraries or even a combination of them. Experiment with these libraries and explore their capabilities to enhance your natural language processing projects. ChatGPT.